Get ready, Fortnite fans. The pirates are about to invade the throwback island. But don't worry, the Avengers are coming too. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. The Fortnite Season 8 OG has begun, and it includes remixes of the Lizard Ninja Hybrid, the Cursed Pirate Blackheart, and the regular human being Lux. Unlocking the pass for 1000 V-Bucks means unlocking Synthesis, the new version of Hybrid. If this pass works like the previous OG passes, expect two main styles for each of the skins with other matching cosmetics. There's also an Avengers Endgame limited time mode which starts on April 3rd. Players are sorted into two teams of 16 players each, with one team representing the Avengers and the other being Thanos' Chitauri. The Chitauri must find the 6 Infinity Stones on the island, each of which powers up Thanos, and the Avengers have to stop them. The Chitauri as a team are able to respawn 150 times, and the Avengers have unlimited respawns until the Chitauri get all the stones. The Fortnite OG Island is getting a bit of a Caribbean flavor in Season 8, with the additions of the pirate hangout at Lazy Lagoon, the Aztec temples of Sunny Steps, and the smoky new volcano. The map is full of pirate cannons, which players can shoot themselves out of to get around quickly, or cannonballs out of them to wreck other players and their builds. Season 8 doesn't add a ton of new stuff to the loot pool, but it introduced one of Fortnite's greatest weapon, the Flint Knock pistol, which has an effective range of about 6 inches and throws you way back when you shoot it. The only other item at the start of the season is the treasure map, which marks a buried treasure chest on your mini-map when you pick it up. There's something awesome to look forward to, as ballers are hinted to pop up later on during Fortnite OG Season 8. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.